Welcome back to SR English Conversation. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul.
If you enjoy learning English through real conversations,
And if you want to speak naturally and confidently,
make sure you subscribe and join our growing English learning community.
new conversations every week.
No boring grammar lectures.
No complicated rules, just practical English you can actually use.
Ready?
Let's do it. Section 1. Why translating is slowing you down.
Paul, can I ask you a question?
Sure.
When you first started learning English, what happened inside your head during a conversation?
Chaos.
Chaos?
Pure chaos. Someone would ask me a question. I understood maybe 70%. Then my brain started working overtime.
What was happening?
Step 1. Understand English. Step 2. Translate into my language. Step 3. Create answer. Step 4. Translate answer back into English. Step 5. Hope for the best.
That sounds exhausting.
It was exhausting. By the time I answered, everyone had already moved on to another topic.
And that's exactly what happens to many learners. They think the problem is vocabulary, but often the real problem is translation.
Because translation adds an extra step.
Actually, several extra steps. Imagine someone throws you a ball.
Okay?
Would it be faster to catch it directly or catch it, put it on a table, walk around the table, pick it up again, and then throw it?
Definitely catch it directly.
That's what thinking in English is. Direct communication. No extra stops.
That makes so much sense.
The goal isn't perfect grammar. The goal is fast communication.
Wait, can I tell a funny story?
Of course.
One day someone asked me, "What are you up to?"
A common question.
Very common, but I translated every word separately. What are you up to?
Oh no.
I spent 10 seconds trying to understand. Then I finally realized they were simply asking, "What are you doing?"
That's a perfect example. Native speakers often use expressions, and translating word by word doesn't work.
Exactly. It just creates confusion.
Speaking practice. Let's do a quick exercise.
I love these.
Don't translate. Just listen and repeat. Ready?
Ready.
I am tired.
Repeat. I am tired.
I am hungry.
I am hungry.
I need some water.
I need some water.
Notice something?
Yes, I didn't need translation.
Exactly. You already understand these sentences. Your brain can recognize them instantly.
Almost automatically.
That's where fluency begins.
Section 2. The biggest myth about fluency. Emily, can I confess something?
Always.
I used to believe fluent speakers knew every English word.
A lot of people think that.
I thought fluency meant having a giant dictionary inside your brain.
Actually, many fluent speakers use surprisingly simple English.
Really?
Absolutely. Think about daily conversations. How often do people use complicated words?
Not very often.
Most conversations use common vocabulary. Words like go, come, want, need, think, feel, know, like.
That's true.
Fluency is not knowing more words. It's using the words you already know faster.
Wow, that's a huge difference.
Let's compare. Person A knows 10,000 words, but translates constantly. Person B knows 2,000 words, but thinks directly in English.
Who sounds more fluent?
Usually person B.
Interesting.
Because communication is about speed and comfort, not vocabulary size. Mini story. Imagine a little child.
Okay.
Does the child translate?
No.
Does the child know advanced vocabulary?
Also no.
Yet the child communicates successfully.
Because they're thinking directly.
Exactly. They connect words to meaning, not words to another language.
That's powerful.
Section 3. How to start thinking in English today. Now let's talk solutions.
My favorite part.
Here's the first technique. Narrate your life.
What does that mean?
Talk to yourself in English. Not out loud if you don't want to. Just simple thoughts.
Can you give examples?
Sure. When you wake up, I'm awake. I'm tired. I need coffee.
That sounds easy.
When you're walking, I'm going to work. It's a beautiful day. That dog is cute.
Poor dog. Now he's part of an English lesson.
He's helping the world.
A true hero.
The goal isn't perfect English. The goal is building direct connections.
Without translation.
Exactly.
Practice moment.
Everyone listening, try this with us. Repeat naturally. I am sitting and listening.
I am sitting and listening.
I am learning English.
I am learning English.
I can improve every day.
I can improve every day.
Great job.
See? No translation required. Section 2. The biggest myth about fluency.
Emily, can I confess something?
Always. I used to believe fluent speakers knew every English word.
A lot of people think that.
I thought fluency meant having a giant dictionary inside your brain.
Actually, many fluent speakers use surprisingly simple English.
Really?
Absolutely. Think about daily conversations. How often do people use complicated words?
Not very often.
Most conversations use common vocabulary. Words like go, come, want, need, think, feel, know, like. That's true. Fluency is not knowing more words. It's using the words you already know faster.
Wow.
That's a huge difference. Let's compare. Person A knows 10,000 words, but translates constantly. Person B knows 2,000 words, but thinks directly in English. Who sounds more fluent? Usually person B. Interesting. Because communication is about speed and comfort, not vocabulary size. Mini story. Imagine a little child.
Okay.
Does the child translate?
No.
Does the child know advanced vocabulary?
Also no.
Yet the child communicates successfully.
Because they're thinking directly.
Exactly. They connect words to meaning, not words to another language.
That's powerful.
Section 3. How to start thinking in English today. Now let's talk solutions.
My favorite part.
Here's the first technique. Narrate your life. What does that mean? Talk to yourself in English. Not out loud if you don't want to. Just simple thoughts. Can you give examples? Sure. When you wake up, I'm awake. I'm tired. I need coffee. That sounds easy. When you're walking, I'm going to work. It's a beautiful day. That dog is cute. Poor dog. Now he's part of an English lesson. He's helping the world. He's a true hero. The goal isn't perfect English. The goal is building direct connections without translation. Exactly. Practice moment. Everyone listening, try this with us. Repeat naturally. I am sitting and listening.
I am sitting and listening.
I am learning English.
I am learning English.
I can improve every day.
I can improve every day.
Great job.
See? No translation required. Section 4. The picture method.
This next technique is one of my favorites.
Sounds interesting.
Instead of translating words, imagine pictures.
Can you explain?
When you hear the word apple, don't think of the word in your language. Think of an actual apple.
A red apple.
Exactly. When you hear car, see a car. When you hear house, see a house.
So we're connecting English directly to images.
Yes, that's how native speakers think.
Wow. I never realized that.
Translation creates a middle step. Pictures remove that step.
That's brilliant.
Let's try. When I say a word, create a picture immediately. Ready?
Ready.
Beach.
I see sand, ocean, waves.
Perfect. Mountain.
Big rocks, fresh air.
Coffee.
Now I'm hungry.
Coffee doesn't make you hungry.
Everything makes me hungry.
Fair point.
Emotional moment. Can I be honest?
Always.
For years, I thought I was bad at English.
Many learners feel that way.
I felt embarrassed, slow, nervous.
And what changed?
I stopped trying to translate perfectly.
Interesting.
Instead, I focused on communication.
And?
My confidence exploded.
That's beautiful.
Because I realized something. People don't expect perfection. They expect communication.
That is such an important lesson.
And honestly, that lesson changed everything.
Curiosity loop. In the next section, we're going to reveal a habit that secretly forces your brain to translate every day.
And most English learners don't even realize they're doing it.
When I discovered this mistake, I was shocked.
Stay with us, because fixing this one habit can make your English feel much more natural.
Section 5. The hidden habit that keeps you translating. Welcome back. Before the break, we talked about a habit that secretly forces learners to translate.
And honestly, I used to do this every day.
Me too.
So what's the habit?
Studying English only through your native language.
Oh, wow. That sounds obvious now.
Think about it. Many learners open an app, see an English word, then immediately look at the translation.
English word, translation. English word, translation. Over and over again.
Exactly. The brain learns a pattern. English always needs help from another language.
So the brain becomes dependent.
Right. It's like using training wheels forever.
Eventually, you have to ride the bike.
Exactly. At some point, English needs to connect directly to meaning.
Can you give an example?
Sure. Let's take the word happy. Instead of translating it, imagine a smiling face, a birthday party, good news, a celebration.
The feeling itself.
Exactly. Your brain starts understanding English emotionally, not through translation,
That sounds much more natural.
because that's how language works in real life.
Quick practice.
Let's practice. Don't translate, just imagine. Ready?
Ready.
Rain.
Umbrella, wet streets, clouds.
Excellent. Family.
Parents, children, love, home.
Wonderful. Success.
Achievement, excitement, proud feeling.
Perfect. See how fast that is?
Much faster than translating.
Section 6. Stop building perfect sentences.
Emily, can we talk about another problem?
Of course.
Perfectionism.
Ah, yes. The enemy of fluency.
I used to spend 30 seconds building one sentence.
Many learners do.
I think, is this grammar correct? Should I use present perfect, past simple, present continuous, future perfect continuous?
Meanwhile, the conversation is dying.
Exactly. The other person is waiting, looking confused, wondering if my internet connection stopped working.
Here's something important. Simple English is powerful English.
I like that.
Let's compare. Sentence 1. I would like to consume some water. Sentence 2. I need water.
Definitely sentence 2.
Natural, clear, fast.
And easier to remember.
Exactly. Fluent speakers often choose simple language, not because they can't use complex language, because communication matters more.
That's freeing.
Your goal isn't to impress people. Your goal is to connect with people.
That's a great quote.
Repeat after us. Let's practice simple English. Repeat after me. I need help.
I need help.
I don't understand.
I don't understand.
Can you repeat that?
Can you repeat that?
I'm not sure.
I'm not sure.
That was easy.
And useful. Very useful.
Mini story. The coffee shop lesson. Let me tell you a story.
I love stories.
A student once visited an English-speaking country.
Exciting.
He went into a coffee shop. The employee asked, "What can I get for you?"
Simple question.
But he froze
Why?
because he started translating, then checking grammar, then translating again.
Oh no.
Finally, he said, "1 coffee."
And?
The employee smiled and gave him coffee.
That's it?
That's it.
Wait, nobody cared about grammar?
Nobody cared. Communication succeeded.
That's such an important lesson.
Most conversations don't require perfection. They require participation.
I wish I had learned that years ago.
Section 7. Think in small English. Here's another technique. Think in small English.
Small English?
Yes, many learners try to think huge thoughts.
Like what?
Instead of thinking, today I have experienced a series of unfortunate circumstances.
That's a mouthful.
Think, today was difficult.
Much easier.
Don't force advanced English. Use the English you already know.
That makes sense.
Let's practice. Big thought. I am extremely exhausted after completing my responsibilities.
Okay.
Small thought. I'm tired after work.
Way easier.
Big thought. I desire nourishment.
Who talks like that?
Apparently a hungry king.
Or a hungry robot?
Exactly. Small thought. I'm hungry.
Perfect.
Simple English creates fluent English.
I'm writing that down.
Retention moment. Want to know something surprising?
Always.
Many native speakers use fewer words than English learners expect.
Really?
Yes. They repeat words, use simple phrases, and focus on communication.
Interesting.
The secret isn't complexity. The secret is comfort. That's a mindset shift. Section 8. Train your brain with English questions. Here's one of the fastest ways to stop translating.
I'm listening.
Ask yourself simple questions in English.
Like an interview?
Exactly. For example, how are you today?
I'm good. A little tired, but good.
What did you eat today?
I had breakfast and too much coffee.
There is no such thing as too much coffee.
My heart disagrees.
Fair point.
So the goal is answering directly in English.
Yes. No translation, no preparation. Just simple answers.
That sounds powerful.
Because it trains real conversation skills.
Listener practice.
Everyone listening, answer these questions. Out loud if possible. Ready?
Let's go.
What is your favorite food? Pause.
Good. Next.
What time did you wake up today? Pause. Excellent.
Keep going.
What do you want to improve this year?
Pause.
Amazing.
See? You're already thinking in English.
Emotional encouragement.
Can I say something to our listeners?
Please do.
If speaking English feels difficult, don't quit.
Absolutely.
Every fluent speaker was once a beginner.
Every single one.
The difference is not talent. It's practice.
Consistent practice.
Small improvements every day become huge improvements later.
That's how fluency grows.
One conversation at a time.
Curiosity loop. Coming up next, we're going to discuss a strange habit that makes children learn languages faster than adults.
And no, it's not because children are smarter.
In fact, the real reason surprises most people.
And once you understand it, your learning approach may completely change.